kids, welcome back. This is just a quickie because it is cold out here. So, I don't have my heater on. Anyway, so just a tool quickie, if you will. These are the stainless hex screws that I get metric off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. I'll actually do it this time. Of these, it's about $30, but it lasts you a while. They all come in little baggies. Okay, so if you work on one boat or 30, you're gonna need a stock. Okay, comes with these little guys. I don't use a hell of a lot, but those fit in certain things, servo arms, things like that, servo arms to attach, rudders, a lot of the normal hardware, whatever. This is the set that I use. There's a bazillion of people on Amazon that sell these sets. You might be able to find them cheaper. I buy these $1,280 just because it's a lot. Then, and it even comes with these, which I throw away. And then I have one of these on the wall, of course, that I dump them into, and so you can see I'm running a bit low on rudder stock and stuff like that. So I just review them, and that's it. Not review them. I reuse them. I put them in there and kind of recycle. So no cracker box stuff tonight on the build. It's cold. The heater's not on. I'll do it tomorrow. So guys, and gals, keep dry side up. Bye.